hello guys welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. In today's video I'm going to show you a simple strategy you can use to make over 200 USDT every day on Bybit. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do well to subscribe, like my videos, share my videos so that a lot of people can actually gain value from this amazing content. I'm going to show you two things, and these two things, if being followed carefully, it will make you earn a lot of reasonable money from trading cryptocurrency coin using Bybit exchange as a case study. So without a waste of time, just make sure you have a verified Bybit account, have some fun on it, and let's dive into it. So let's keep going. The first side I want you to look at is the gainer sessions. And the second part I want you to look at is the loser sections. So we're going to look at it carefully now. How are you going to use these gainer sessions or the loser sessions to earn something for yourself? Okay, we're going to see how we can use this to earn something reasonable for yourself. So we'll start with the gainer sessions. Here we are in the gainer sessions. You're going to see top 7 of those particular cryptocurrency coins that have been doing well for the past 24 hours. We have the AVL. You can see we have the AVL, we have the PAL, which is the PAL. We have this, we have the feeder, we have Flume, we have Fogo, we have EARS, and we have Zig. Each of them has positive of particular numbers. This one has plus 32, this one has plus 28, this one has plus 17, this one has 13, this one has plus 12, this one has plus 10, this one has plus 10 as well. So what do we need to do? Let's start from the top high ranking. So if you click on this, it's going to bring you to place of this very nature. You can see this particular coin is already doing very reasonable. Now you can look at it from the past. You look at it from the past and see how actually it has been doing. Like if you look at this particular cryptocurrency coin now, it has been very flexible. It has been ups and down. You can see here it was at 0.033, and it took a high to 0.049, almost 0.5. You can see these are actually how it works. So if you look at its previous movement, you now use those previous movements to stake your trade. Okay, to stake your trades. Now look at this. Look at where this one is actually took off from. This one actually took off from 0.03287, you can see, and rose to 0.467. That's a bit reasonable move. And when you see something of this nature, you cash out based on the previous movement and you wait for another opportunity. They're very simple. So you're gonna go into keep following them up like this. You're going to keep following them up. Look at the PAL. PAL also will give you the same impressions as well. It's been flexible, ups and down. So you're going to look at a lot of this particular cryptocurrency coin. Look at their previous movement and look at what they are currently doing in the market. Okay, what they are currently doing in the market, and you use the previous movement to stake your trade now. So that is it. So we're going to actually proceed to the loser sessions. Okay, these loser sessions, in this particular place, this is where you find a lot of cryptocurrency coins that have actually been down and are also struggling to come up. If you look at top 7 here as well, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. If you look at some of these top 7 right here, you can see even TA is actually right here. TA is found right here on the loser sessions, of which you have seen that TA actually is trying to do well and is being like very, very flexible for the past 1 week. Let's say for the past 1 week. Okay, maybe something good will be cooking again from this TA, because TA is actually a good coin and is actually that's actually done very well in the past. Okay, TA has actually rolled to 0.38455 in the past. You can see. So what if it took back to this particular stage again? Then you will make a reasonable profit. All right. I already invested in this particular cryptocurrency coin for a very long time now. All right. So there are a lot of coin. You can see the full. You can look at its previous movement and try to invest something with it. So if you follow this particular strategy carefully, everything will go very well with you. So without a waste of time, all you just need to do is to get yourself ready and start investing in this particular cryptocurrency coin for a reasonable profit. So this brings us to the end of the class. If you do have any questions, do not forget to drop it in the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.